Rajiv Reddy. Country Club all over Asia was very very special because वहाँ पर एक किताब launch हुई थी 9 Nights Navratri जो सर ने unveil की थी, सर ने launch की थी वो all over Asia and उस किताब में लिखा है उस नवरात्रि की पहली किताब में which was also launched by our former Chief Minister of Gujarat श्रीमती आनंदीबेन पटेल उसमें लिखा है उस किताब में that it should be a dance for everyone. क्यों होना चाहिए सभी के लिए कोई भी nationality हो कितना भी weight हो और चाहे वो कोई भी age के हो तो क्यों होना चाहिए उस किताब में लिखा है and we are so fortunate sir that just in December 2K23 UNESCO announced it as the cultural heritage, the intangible cultural heritage Garba. So this is a huge honor and thank you sir, you gave me wings to fly. He said take Garba to the world and iski wajah se I've performed at the Times Square with lakhs of people in New York, to Los Angeles, to Switzerland, to Norway, to Dubai, Sri Lanka and as the cultural ambassador of Paris for 2 years. So thank you for allowing me and giving me wings to fly.
Thanks, Simran, for that. We had come up with this novel idea of having this festival, yoga, during the COVID times, and it was a huge hit and a big advantage to all the people who were staying indoors those days. I just cannot forget those dark days. But then Country Club was the most restless, I think, brand. We made sure that people were had fun during those times also.
So that is Country Club at your doorstep. So already the world loves Country Club is what I wanted to tell you because the world watched Country Club page live every single day for 5 months, the entire pandemic. And उसके साथ ही साथ जब नवरात्रि आई तो सबसे पहला the very first press conference was by our very renowned Pavel Chawla. So Pavel, you were here at the same place and that was your very first press conference. So thank you.
Let me tell you one thing, most of the big brands around the world, they can only grow to that extent and that extent only because they suffer from lack of bandwidth either in terms of finance or in terms of manpower or in terms of geographical expansion. So this is the most natural thing that can happen to Country Club because today we are a zero-debt company. This COVID has taught us a lot of lessons. Coming out from the COVID, we decided that the most natural way to expand is the franchisee route. And that route already has received tremendous success and we have already got about 30 franchises. We aim to take it to about 100 in this coming year. There are a lot of people in the market who have shown, especially one club, people who want to take advantage of the Country Club because of its major membership bank of about 2 million people. And this is a big win-win situation, a happy situation for everybody. And looking at the entire global phenomenon, especially in tourism and in industry around the world, where United States tops in China and then India, of course, in the 8th or 9th level. So what I foresee is with the growth of this kind of phenomenal growth in tourism, I think Country Club has got a major opportunity because it is the only family club that has got so many members around anywhere in the world.
Talking about Navratri Utsav, which is an iconic Utsav when it comes to our country, and I think across all clubs we're going to be very extensively participating. We'll have members participating, and there'll be a lot of fun and fervor. And we have the beautiful brand ambassador for Country Club, who's also a torch bearer when it comes to Garba, the dancing queen. Mr. Reddy, we would like to know from you what are the plans for this Navratri?
Well, let me tell you one thing. When I started this concept, I believed that the Country Club belonged to the country actually. And when I say that in Navratri time, especially all roads will lead to the Country Club, you will find that all roads in all the places of the Country Club, whether it is Bombay, whether it is Hyderabad, whether it is Bangalore, Ahmedabad, Surat, Pune, Delhi, Calcutta, all these places are going to be packed, and I'm sure, I think, You know, you will not believe this. 25 years back when we started this particular concept in Hyderabad, not many people even knew what Navaratri Garba was and Dandiya was. But when I brought people from Surat, I had to get people from Surat because people in the south didn't know what Navaratri was. Or when we bought them, and you know, in a short time, you know, all the Gujarati Sammelans were empty. They were all in the country club. So, what we did was like I was telling you, when I make a statement that country club belongs to the country, I mean, I really mean it in the sense, you know, all the essence, beautiful, like Baisakhi, Lohri, Christmas, New Year, all these celebrations take place in the country club in a huge manner. And more than anything else, it is the biggest family chain. You'll find a lot of nana, nanis, members and their children all coming together. So that is the big USP of the country club.
रेड्डी साहब आपसे एक सवाल है कि जो कंट्री क्लब के मेंबर नहीं है तो वो पर्सन नवरात्रि फेस्टिवल में चार्ज पे करके पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते
Yes, there are few guest passes would be there, but first preference will be given only to the members of the country club. उनके साथ आ सकते हैं, members के साथ.
My next question is to you, Simran. Congratulations on winning so many accolades and titles. 18 international national titles for Garba is a very big deal. The dancing queen of Garba. How proud are you to be, titled as that, and also the brand ambassador for Navratri? So when you're performing at the country club in Hyderabad this Navratri, please tell us about it.
It's very, very special, and I'm humbled and full of gratitude because नाचना कभी अलाउड नहीं था घर में बचपन में. So mom never allowed 9 nights. तो सवाल ही नहीं होता कि 9 रात हम बाहर जाएं खेलने. So dance was a complete no-no at home. Just starting from there, I've only participated for 18 years in competitions and won all 18 queen titles by the grace of the goddess. And jab se I've been associated with country club, that's 2016. I can definitely tell you that it's absolutely been universal for me. Garba has been universal. So when I represented India at Miss India Magnificent in 2013 at Niagara Falls, वहाँ पर when I performed Garba, all the international contestants wanted to know ये क्या है. I said it is spiritual significance. They said, oh, we have no idea about this. Can you explain to us? And तब मुझे भी नहीं पता था ज़्यादा उसके बारे में. So I said, why don't we Google? And Google पे they couldn't really get the sense of what is Navratri and what is the the dance form Garba and Dandiya, and that's how ये पहली किताब है 9 Nights Navratri, which was unveiled by Srimati Anandiben Patel, our former Chief Minister of Gujarat, and internationally it was unveiled by Mr. Rajiv Reddy, sir, who allowed me to go global. And thereafter, of course, cultural ambassador of Paris, 2 साल से लेकर I've traveled all around the world. Last year we performed at New York at Times Square, where lakhs of people were watching us and doing Garba with us. And absolutely an honor to represent India at the Bharat Mahotsav, and it's been completely amazing. At the same time, किताब तो है पहली, अब जो बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. This year, Navratri is magnificent across the world because of the UNESCO's intangible cultural heritage being announced last year in December. So thanks to Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. Just like yoga, now Garba is also going global all across the world. And this is the beauty of it. At the same time, my film Dance Like a Goddess, which is on being never allowed to dance to winning 18 titles. So all the topmost जो titles हैं India में. And 2011 I was in America, and वहाँ पर भी मैंने Best Dancer का title जीता for the competition. So I'm truly blessed to be here. And thank you to Country Club. जब से 2016 से I'm traveling with Country Club all over. And Hyderabad, this is absolutely the truth. I know that because when we used to go to Hyderabad, people used to say, oh, we really are learning what Dandiya Garba is. And we've also done workshops there. Along with yoga, हमने workshops भी किए हैं of Dandiya Garba. And everyone just loves Country Club at Hyderabad now for Navratri. And Pan India, it's going to be really rocking. Country Club rocks. So can we do that? Country Club rocks?
Yeah,
1,
Country
2,
Club.
3. Country Club rocks.